Welcome to episode 1 of the Do It Faster with DFFS video series. Modern DFFS lets you build real SharePoint forms with conditional logic, custom layouts, without writing code unless you want to. You can download a free trial from Alexander Bautz. By the end of this, you'll know how to install it and have it working on your own site. In order to get started with modern DFFS, you either need the app catalog, apps for SharePoint, on your site, as you can see here, or if you're lucky enough, your tenant admin has already loaded mDFFS in the tenant app catalog. In a couple of minutes, you'll see how you can test that if there's no app catalog on your site before you go request an app catalog to be created on your site. We start by going to spjsworks.com and then choose Install at the top. This page is self-explanatory, so it's a very good idea to bookmark it in case you need to come back to see these instructions. Click Get Latest Version here, download the zip file, save it, then open it up, open your downloads up and choose that file and choose Extract All on the right-click menu and extract. And there's the dffs.sppkg file. That's called a SharePoint package file that you need to install. So we'll go back to our app catalog and we will upload that and choose that file. It may take a minute to upload. I'm going to pause till it's up. Okay, it's finished uploading, and now we see the dialog asking if we trust it. We need to check this box, even though it refers to all sites in the organization. That only applies in the tenant app catalog. In the site app catalog, it's really just talking about all sites in the site collection. Most of us only have one site in our site collections in SharePoint Online, but some people have more. Then we need to wait for it to finish deploying. And when it has, let's just go ahead and refresh. And yes, it has deployed. Sometimes you have to actually make it show up. Now we can go back to a list on the site. I'll go to this test list. And I will look at the command bar here and go to the more commands, or the 3-dot menu, or what some people call an ellipsis. And you will see the DFFS symbol there, which tells you you have dynamic forms for SharePoint installed, but there's a hidden list that holds the configurations that needs to be created. So click that button to create it. And now when you go back into that DFFS, you're going to see some information about license, and you're going to select the form you want to configure. To add a license code, if you've already purchased one, you can just click Add Change License Code and paste the license code in there and save. Or if you are ready to request a license code, click the link that says click here to generate the challenge code. Then you send that challenge code into DFFS headquarters, and they send you back a code to go in here as the license code. In the meantime, you have 30 days to work with it as a free trial. You don't even have to pay any money before then. In the next video, we'll get into what you do from this point on to finish getting it ready. That's modern DFFS installed and working on your own site. Next video, what to do when Alex ships a new version and how to hear about it without going and checking by yourself. If this was useful, subscribing helps more SharePoint people find it.